Jesus killed excuses. In this new year, I want you to kill all excuses that will try to cause you to procrastinate. I want you to kill all excuses for why you are not doing all of what God has called you to do. I want you to kill all excuses for why you are not being all of who you should be. I want you to kill all excuses for you not examining yourself and stepping up to your highest potential for success. I want you to kill all excuses for why you're not saving more money and stop spending on things that is unnecessary. I want you to kill excuses in this new year that will hinder or harm you from being closer to God. I want you to kill all excuses that have come to try to hinder you or turn you away from what God has called you to do or who God is calling you to be.